It's Patrick at Pals. Classic cars. We love classic cars. You know, a classic car comes in, and typically they're 50 years old, and they've got the original harness, wiring harness. That can cause a fire hazard. So what we typically do is what we did to this car. We take out the old harness and throw it away. And then we get busy and put in a new wiring harness. Now what's that do for the customer? It makes everything operate correctly, and it eliminates any fire hazard. Your turn signals work, your radio works, the air conditioning works. Everything is predicated on good wiring. If you've got a classic car, an antique car, bring it to Pals. See you soon.